Aquaboyan in a coy entry and a phobia and phobia bet Martin Wana. Washana Benafia the game no, and so Ashaso Awo Accra Sports Stadium. Commercial Asante Kotoko versus Glorious Accra Hearts of Oak. Kotoko at the fifth on the league table with 50 points, 29 goals, and Omashe are considered 21. Sanso and also for the last 7 away matches. Central Rafi, Jacob Adontera, Washana Bay at the game in Anshas, our Accra Sports Stadium. Kelvin Osea Beni Krana Babeti, Hussein Obone 10-10 national. Fiki Kekoti Ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Obone 10-10 Mona Chena Sudabi. Fabulous. Obone 10-10. To carry Mizito, Neni Abre, when it's a kind game. Phobia Manchani Crabono, Justice Blay, Kakari, beautiful play. A chance for Patrick Kwesi Asma, now should I be Kwesi Asma. Her branch of Patrick Casiedu Kodi Bugano. The 27th game this season, Atima Fabulous Watara Nason Shibruta, our bench. Throwing Patrick. Watune 10-10, the Bonache, Tiabox, and Nansudabi. Fabulous. Patrick, Rabone 10-10, the Bonache dance, Nansudabi. On a coping bono for Kwame Poku. Kwame Poku by Yene Crabono. Kwame, why 10-10, Nansudabi. Goalkeeper, Nanso. On my club of Kwame Poku, where Jabon the Bona Confridi Aquacoma and dus in Team Manu. Manu Abone 10-10, a chance, now so Debbie. No opportunity. Another corner kick. Patrick Casiedu for Kotoko. Wabone 10-10, Mona Chete about now so Debbie. Bona Babedi pass Bassi. Patrick Asiedu control away Tabosonum. Patrick on a 10th chance now to the goalkeeper. Albert in the Crabono. Albert Atashi. Albert once again now so Santa Kwesi Asma Ejabonachi. Andrew Swabone 10th now so that be. Macarena Crabo Tima Phobia now so that be. Patrick as you do a chance, now should I be offside?
Offside tracker, as assess Benny Kula Yadom Iron and I keep your move to the pace.
Samba O'Neill, beautiful control, 3 matches in a Nina Koma Fabulous. Ball Kwame Poku, a chance for Fabulous Kwame Poku, right Tabosunu Atiashe. Fabulous, right Tabosunu, a chance, now should I be beautiful. Intervention from Kevin Osea Asibe. Hamza Isati free kick. Hussein Mohammed. Free kick. Live on Abdun TV.
It is shoot from afar to score. Baru delay a chain, Sebi Obi Mehaka on any penalty mawa. It takes referee more bold decision and more the big balls to do that. But Ubenya ye referee Sinibia, a 50 to a power by your power, but ye more a branch and it.
Asante Kotoko Sun Timin Shebi. Kabone 10-10 bona chema chan na so da bi. Kotoko Mountain Pimbo no Basia Tuaso. Ababedi Abrante Fenus. Free kick caught Yamaphobia. Patrick Asiedu Wakodibuga. Patrick Asiedu way I am match Toso Adono Anson de Santefani Hussein Mohamed Oray Tabosunum Nansudabi Yamana Quine. Wabo short to Nansudabi. The 26th game this is it. What's your one? Albertamu Nansudabi. Short to Nantimanko. Abaya ne Krabono, Wabosho de Bonachete Aboxunum, Kwame Poku, Jamana Kwamananko, Alpha Production at Daroma, and the live coverage at the Air Pramo, live on our Don TV, original na Konfife, Hamza, Nasudabi, Kona Kike Kotiamaphobia, Kona K. Steven Apia Sarini Jabon, 10 chance, Nasudabi, yard box, another corner kick, Kwabon, 10 Nasudabi, goalkeeper. Mohamed Toko Akobo, the matches of Barcelona and Clay Sports, a chance for Kotoko. Kotoko maintain the crown of Sudabi. Aphobia. Hussein, watching you, Hussein Adibon, Hussein Mohamed Sudabi. Andrews intimate. Watching a branch of Fanny Patrick Casiedu, Anna Andrews intimate Abapeno. Trade order 2024-2025. Ghana Premier League, Martin Kakari. Wabani 10 now should I be it
call for a foul. So I think say a branch of Patrick said, you know, I say very careful because we say Mohamed no, or we say one of the players from more in it. We are very fast on the ball.
Young Fabian to Sonafe, you had again in your Banawi. Hearts of Oak, our 15th game this season. Our Premier League, no more winning 7 matches. Omado 3 matches. Omalusu 4 matches. Omache. Then they might just play the crab on the fabulous. Which I want to Abatamu announced to be. Shot and holding him. Go. Beautiful play. Which I want to Bona Kwakoma, Samba O'Neill. Wabba shot the Bona so Kelvin or Siasibi. Pimona for a chance for fabulous. Bassi now should be free kick. Emmanuel Amankwa. Center Rafi Jacob Waji free kick. Ediatia Bassi. Tiedu. The 27th game this season. What to 10 8 box Nanso Emmanuel Amankwa Pimonantimanko. Patrick Kasiedu. Upon 10 8 box. Nansu. Upon 10 Bonachim. Bona chete boxunum Nanso phobia mnantana Clebon Bonantimanko. So the fabulous Kelvin Os Kwasi Asima Bona 10 now should be Bona 10 Bonachem Benjamin Asare for control Adiachen in 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League. Martin Kakarine Krabon. Wajada Koma Hamza Isa. Kumasias Phobia chance for Phobia. What a save! Yes. Abranchani Tene Steven Apiasari. Steven Apiasaros. Nice pass, Nansu goalkeeper Benjamin Asare was demonstrated as Zampa. We're national team goalkeeper. Every table for Ebe Meki, the 19th appearance this season for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, former Liberty.
Our flare, no, our pace, on we still too much time on the ball. It's that only thing I had to for Coach Watara ever and said, let's go near player, debut Beja Baba Yaya in chain. Baba Yaya de Macan. They say, yes, such a player, players from Timikutabo, our friend Coleman.
Asante Krabo, Mama Pada, Koma Hussein Mohamed. Kumasi Asante on answer there be offside. Kwame Pokway offside. Karine Krabo, Martin. Beautiful defending. Patrick Kasiedu Nanso. FA President Kurt Okreku na fe sports minister Kofi Adams, Dr. Nyao Tamaklo. Patrick Asiedo said there be referee. Wait here, Aden, Matao, and free kick. Alatula, Bonukra, Phobia, Bonnie Tentin, now should I be? Phobia, time for Phobia, now should I be? And do Sintima and one block a shot no. Quesia, we're winning just one match against Mitema. We draw 3, Alusi 4. Papaya Yane Krabono. 45 matches, 2 goals. We former player the marking facer. Osmane 3 season with Baby Abonedani Utuanamo Be Me and Sampe. No Phobia 80. Olusuba 1-0. Our Papaya Rago Pabaso. Patrick Asiedi, Dauda Sakanafe. Henry Kwame Yansine Jabonachi. Patrick now should be. Corner kick for Fabulous. Abone Tete Bonachema time for Fabulous now should be.